Yo, what's good? So, I'm sure nobody cares, but I didn't do one last month. But it's a new month. So we're gonna do this Loot Crate unboxing. Yeah. This time, I'm prepared. Well, not that prepared because it didn't open that easy. Brandon. Sorry. Be careful, you guys. Sharp objects are not toys. Oh, and it's open. So easy. I could have done it that easy last time, right? No, I could not, actually. Let's open this bad boy up. Uh-oh. This shirt is kind of ill, I think. Ooh, what? What? Oh, it was good, though. Bruh. Check it out, though, bruh. Check that shit out, though, bruh. Yeah. Tight. What else? We got some Marvel shoelaces. Real. That real. Oh, word. I don't know if y'all knew this, but I just moved into a new apartment. Sick, right? Sick. So, did perfect. Bruh, ice trays. We ain't got no kind of ice trays up in the house, so ice cubes, Marvel ice cubes. Hella. Alright, Rick and Morty. Oh shit, Sax, you see this shit? Sax. Shout out. Rick and Morty puzzle. Sick. This month's Loot Crate button. Some Team Fortress 2. Uh-oh. Team Fortress 2 buttons. Let's see. There's blue, red, and then a unicorn. So. Alright, well there's a Age of Ultron decal. Just throw up on some shit. You know what I'm saying? You got something you want to decorate? Use this. Decorate. What up? Did I just get 2 buttons for this month? Bruh. What it do? Y'all don't even know. The Unite book for this month. Let's see. Oh, Mad Magazine mini style. Let's see. Oh, Bravest Warriors comic. Sick. That's tight. Oh, check it out. That's pretty sick. Like, it's like a locker room for heroes, right? Yeah. Sick. Well, hell. Here we go. The box. It's a lot of stuff. Pretty tight. I got hooked up. Some ice trays. We got some cold ass drinks. We gonna party. It's gonna be a time. You feel? Holla at your boy though. Loot Crate.